Now you have joined a separate program in Indira Gandhi National Open University and you will come across variety experience of learning through distance. A regional center is there, study centers are there, faculty members will be there. Earlier, the counseling facility was offered in the face to face mode. Even now, if the situation permits, the face to face counseling sessions will be started again. So far, we are not in a position to start the face to face mode counseling sessions. So, first of all, we wanted to interact with all of you and inform you what is IGNO and how to go about for your studies to complete the programs whatever you have opted successfully. What are the responsibilities as a distance learner and what type of support will be given from the study centers, and finally how can you complete the program. This is the main agenda of this meeting. Now my learned colleagues Dr. G. Anbalagan and admission in charge Sri S. Balaji will tell you about the programs and mode of delivery of the programs. Coordinators are also there. They also will interact as and when required. And after the session, there will be an interaction session. Whatever doubts you will be having, we will be here. Myself or Dr. Anbalgan or Balaji or the coordinators will answer you, will answer all your queries. With these initial remarks, I now request Dr. Anbalgan to continue the program.
Thank you, sir.
It seems welcome.
I welcome once again you all for this online induction meeting uh, under RC Madurai. Now we can straight away go to the session. IGNO is one of the largest open university in the world. The Indira Gandhi National Open University was established in the year 1985 under Parliamentary Act. It functions directly under the Ministry of Education, Government of India. Over the period of its journey, it has many accolades. IGNO, being the world's largest open university system, caters to the higher educational needs of millions in the society. There has been the cumulative learner strength with IGNO is almost 3 million. IGNO promotes inclusive education to all for their sustainable development in the society. All the programs offered by the IGNO are recognized by the UGC for higher education and job. Even if you go abroad also, in almost more than 185 countries, the IGNO programs, the degree, diploma are valid for any kind of job. This is the profile of Indira Gandhi National Open University. It has its headquarters at New Delhi, Maidan Kargi. The IGNOU has 21 schools of study in its headquarters for various disciplines like School of Health Sciences, School of Education, School of Humanities, like that. There are 21 schools of study. IGNOU has various divisions, centers, cells at the headquarters. IGNOU regional centers are spread across the country. There are more than 67 regional centers, which includes 57 regular regional centers and more than 3,000 study centers are functioning in the various reputed institutions in the country, like our study centers with the colleges. Here in the JJ College, HK Rautar College, Tyagarajar College, GRD College, like that, we are having a lot of study centers. More than 250 academic programs ranging from awareness level of 3 months or 2 months duration to 6 months certificate program, diploma level program, PG diploma, degree, PG degree programs are being offered by the IGNOU. Besides this, IGNOU also offers MPhil and PhD programs at the headquarters. IGNOU has 37 Gyanvani FM radio stations. One we are having at IGNOU Regional Center, Madurai, and also another one under RC Madurai is located at Tirunelveli. The Government of India has provided the IGNOU to broadcast the Gyan Darshan television channels. Accordingly, 2 Gyan Darshan channels, TV channels, are located with IGNOU. IGNOU also a national coordinator for offering massive open online courses through Swayam portal. With this portal, IGNOU offers a lot of online programs also. Also, we are having the part of the Swayam Prabha DTH television channels allocated by the Government of India. IGNOU from the this last session has started offering online programs also. IGNOU has Gyandhara web radio, wherein the educational broadcast can be listened through website. A lot of web-based support services are being provided through our main website as well as through RC website. IGNOU is very popular in the social media like Facebook and Twitter. You can watch Facebook live sessions through the main page of IGNOU Facebook page. For student support services, IGNOU, to resolve the queries of students in time, has created a iGram portal wherein the students can avail more than 50 types of query resolving mechanism, so that the queries are disposed within the time of 7 days. All the e-portfolios of students are being maintained in the website. Under student zone of IGNOU website, you can find your portfolio. Also, you can check all your status of registration, re-registration, online grade card, online result, downloading assignments, and all the details required for your self-study. Teleconferencing is being organized by the IGNOU for every session with the faculty from the headquarters. You can watch teleconferencing sessions through the Gyan Darshan television channels. IGNOU has 6 regional evaluation centers. For South India, we are having at Kochi. These are all the range of academic programs. Each program has minimum duration and maximum duration. Almost you the students of certificate programs having minimum 6 months duration, and your program validity is up to 2 years. You can check these details under the registration details in the student zone also. Like that, diploma, PG diploma, minimum 1 year, maximum 3 years. Degree program, minimum 3 years, maximum 6 years. PG degree, minimum 2 years, maximum 6 years, being offered by the IGNOU. These are all the instructional strategy established by the IGNOU. I already told with you that IGNOU headquarters provides various services, that printed study materials are being dispatched from the IGNOU headquarters, material production and distribution division, also from the regional center. The television channels are being located at the IGNOU headquarters. Mobile application is provided to the students. Internet-based delivery mechanism is followed in the IGNOU. You can see at the bottom, with your study center, you can attend face-to-face counseling sessions. Now during this lockdown, we started offering the online counseling sessions also. The study center is the contact point for the IGNOU learners. The regional center is the middle level. It acts as an administrative office for all the study centers located under the particular region. At the study center, the coordinator is the head of the particular study center. He is assisted with the part-time study center staff. The counselors, academic counselors for each courses are available with study centers, where you can approach your study center to get the details of your academic counselors, so that you can get all your queries or clarification from your academic counselors about the study, about writing assignment, practical and all activities. Library services, earlier we provided at the study center, now everything is online. You can visit IGNOU website for online library. Likewise, hands-on experience, skill training, lab experiments wherever required for the particular program is being offered at the study centers. IGNOU RC Madurai having a mobile e-learning terminal van. You can see at the top left. This van is being used to carry the to reach any ill or remote places, to deliver directly the e-learning platform to the learners. You can visit the schedules of the Gyanvani Madurai also from RC Madurai website. You can also listen by tuning into the FM radio. The Gyan Darshan channels are 3 that can be watched through the DTH channel. For Swayam Prabha, you need to download a mobile application, or directly you can watch through the Swayam Prabha website. This IGNOU Gyan Dara, it's completely being online. You can visit the website. There is a separate website, IGNOU Online. So you can get all these details. IGNOU also provides podcast facility, wherein the lectures of important events are being recorded and uploaded through this podcast facility. Since you are from semester-based programs mostly, this is applicable to the degree level programs. I skip this. Then how to study with the IGNOU. Once you joined with the IGNOU, now admission is completely online. You will be allotted 10-digit enrollment number. You are having a program code also. These two things are must for every correspondence with IGNOU. Also checking your details with the IGNOU website. Here, credit system is followed. One equal to 30 hours of study, which includes all activities like attending counseling sessions at the LSC and writing assignments, watching this teleconference, webcasting, or live sessions, or participation in all IGNOU activities as per your curriculum. So you need to download your program guide first from the eGyanKosh website, then go through each line so that you will get clear understanding about your study. Accordingly, you can plan your study so that within that minimum duration you can successfully complete your program. Here we provide self-learning materials, that is called SLMs. Student has the option either to get hard copy of the study learning material or soft copy. This option is to be exercised at the time of online admission itself. If you opted online study material, you need to download from the eGyanKosh website, or else you can download a mobile application, IGNOU e-content application, wherein you can get all your study material through your mobile or laptop. Audio video lessons of IGNOU are available in the IGNOU YouTube channel. The academic counseling sessions are scheduled by the study center. The schedules are being uploaded in the RC Madurai website. You can download. We will send you SMS also. Also, you can keep in touch with your coordinator. According to the schedule, you need to attend the face-to-face or virtual counseling sessions at your study center. For theory programs, attending these counseling sessions is not compulsory, but for practical sessions, the attendance is compulsory. Also, you can take part in the teleconferencing sessions or Facebook Live sessions. For that purpose, you always regularly need to visit IGNOU website as well as the Facebook page of IGNOU. The counseling sessions, as I said earlier, for a 2-credit course, 3 sessions will be arranged. Each will be 2-hour duration. Like that, 4 credit, 8 credit. The sessions will be conducted by the study center. If the number of students is less than 10 in a particular program, the study center will arrange only 40% of the sessions. That is called intensive counseling sessions. Then assignments. In the IGNOU evaluation methodology, it consists of 3 parts. One is self-assessment, with the self-assessment questions at the end of each unit in your study material, which do not carry any importance, but it will help you to improve your self-study. The second one is tutor marked assignments. These assignment questions are being uploaded in the IGNOU website. You need to go and visit the concerned web page and download your assignments for the particular applicable session. Only currently valid assignments are accepted by the study center. It is compulsory for every theory courses. Some lab courses also having assignments. The learner has to write the assignment responses before taking the term and examination as per the schedule and submit with the study center. For each theory paper, 1 assignment is to be submitted. The assignment carries 25 to 30% weightage in the final examination. So it is more and more important. The assignment writing guidances will be provided by your respective academic counselor at the time of counseling sessions. The assignments may vary with the type of questions like essay, short answer, objective, or problem solving exercise, etc. For writing the assignments, you need to Check the guidelines and norms as available in your program guide. The assignments shall be accurate and in conformity with the IGNOU norms because it carries weightage with the final examination. Only before the scheduled date, last date, you need to submit these assignments with your study center, and you can get the acknowledgement also from your study center. The study center will arrange the evaluation of assignments with the concerned academic counselor at study center. Once after evaluation, they will forward the awards to regional center through online. It will be validated by the regional center and sent to the headquarter for uploading in your grade card. So, first check your program guide, then understand the methodology, then after go to the IGNOU student zone at the IGNOU website and download your currently valid assignment. In case of any issue, you can either contact your study center or regional center through email. For every correspondence, your program code and enrollment is must in all the emails. Assignments are to be submitted only with your study center. This is more and more important. You can check the related circulars also at the RC Madurai website. Then the submission of application for examination. IGNOU conducts admission twice in a year. One at January, another one is at July every year. Like that, examination is also conducted across the country every year 2 times. One in completely June and another one in December. For this July session 2020 students, the examination, term end examination is supposed to be held in the December 2020, but considering this pandemic situation, the IGNOU has postponed this schedule to February 2021. You can check this notification in the IGNOU website also. So a lot of time is there. You can prepare well for the term end examination to be conducted in the month of February. For submission of online examination, for this online exam form, you need to visit the web page as available in the IGNOU main website. You can simply file your application and pay the examination fee through online, rupees 150 per course. You can download the receipt and keep it with you. The all tickets will be provided through only IGNOU website. You need to download by visiting the website before 10 days of the commencement of your actual examination. SMS also being sent by IGNOU about the downloading all ticket. The IGNOU examination schedules are updated in the IGNOU website. You need to visit the IGNOU website for downloading the examination schedules. In IGNOU system, since it has territory all over the country, you can apply for any exam center in India by visiting the exam form online page. Not all the study centers under our RC is examination center. We do offer this examination through only selective study centers. The list also is available in the exam portal. This is the query resolving mechanism in IGNOU. You can use RC Madurai at ignou.ac.in, the email ID of the RC for every correspondence. Also, you can check your study center contact details by visiting the RC Madurai web page and click the study center tab. You will find the list of study centers, the contact details, the email ID, the programs activated thereon, everything. Also, you can use iGram portal of IGNOU website for any query. While writing to IGNOU RC, you can use the formats as available the change of address or study center change, RC change, center. For changing the elective courses, medium of the program, migration certificate, name change, you need to pay certain amount of fee. That details you can refer in the IGNOU website. Once the learner got the enrollment number, you need to visit the IGNOU website for that details will provide at the end of the session. You can also visit us at the Facebook page of Regional Center Madurai, that is IGNOU Madurai. You can follow us in Facebook also. Download IGNOU application, mobile application. For this purpose, you can simply visit the IGNOU Student Zone in the portal and click the link. You can download IGNOU mobile app or IGNOU e-content application. These both are will be very much useful to you for availing all the services of IGNOU. IGNOU also offers various academic support for program-based in the web-enabled academic support. This web-enabled academic support is available only for the selected programs, not for all the programs. This is what the picture showing that how to visit the IGNOU website and check the student support. That this is the model. You just go to the actual website and you can find this student support tab. You can click it, and below that you can see all these details, which will be like this. That you can check. Even you can download the previous year assignments, previous year assignment questions, and question papers of previous examinations. The admission related details or the library facilities, everything is available under this student zone. We suggest the following best practices for your self-learning with IGNOU. Always maintain a diary with you so that you can do the certain things in time as per the schedule. Read first your program guide. Before going to SLM, always keep in mind that read, rethink, recover. This 3R principle is must in the IGNOU open and distance learning system, because this system is entirely different from the top regular conventional mode of higher education. Here, the student capacity is always more. The student has to contact always the host institution for every support services. Always do self-study to perform better. At least do the practice of visiting the IGNOU websites once in a week. Download your study material. Even if you have hard copy also, you can download this your study material from the eGyanCourse website for reference through your digital devices. Attend counseling sessions at your study center so that you can get more clarity on the doubts, and if any clarifications also you can discuss with your peer group as well as your academic counselor. View the YouTube video lessons that you need to search with the YouTube. Attendance, as already discussed. Practicals, it is must. Submit assignments as per the schedule with the study center. For this purpose, you always need to visit the IGNOU website for the last date of submission of assignment. Submit your application as per the schedule for the term and examination. Keep the ID card for availing all the services. While taking part in the examination, ID card and all ticket is must. Otherwise, you will not be allowed in the exam hall. You can use online library question papers. Always use to visit IGNOU website and RC Madurai website, participate in the interactive radio counseling sessions of Gyanvani, follow IGNOU at the social media for various updates. These are all the brief details from me, but we are always welcome any queries from you during your period of study. We are here with you to help in all your successful learning. The remaining part will be taken up by our section officer, Mr. Balaji,
Before that,
about the study material and other things.
Dr. Anbalganji, let us invite coordinators one by one and let them introduce themselves
Yes, sir.
and let them inform the study center timings, phone number, email ID, etc. so that the students will have direct contact with them.
Sure, sir. Sure. I request our coordinators of study centers to interact with the students one by one. Dr. Balakrishnan.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, you can start.
Sir, good morning. Myself, I am G. Balakrishnan. I act as a coordinator of IGNOU coordinator of our college, Vivekananda College, LSC 43016.
Please on your video also, sir.
Sir?
Video.
Oh, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, it's clear?
Sir, yes.
Okay, sir. Very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. G. Balakrishnan, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, now coordinator of LIC 43016. I first of all thank our IGNOU RC Madurai to arrange the index meeting of who's are joining July session. My mail ID, I already contact 60 new admissions, new learners. Still, it's my duty to say what's my mail ID. IGNOU mail ID, IGNOU VC LSC 43016 @gmail.com. IGNOU VC LSC 43016 @gmail.com. My contact number 81247 28093. 81247 28093. This is my contact number. Please, if you have any queries, please contact my number and send my mail. I clarify what I know. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thanks to give you opportunity, sir. Thank you. It's okay, sir?
Yeah, it is okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Hello. Sir, 43016. Sir, coordinator, sir.
Yes,
Sir, your study center timings and for available to the students. That also you may please inform.
Yes, sir.
Your study center timings for the students.
Okay. So, morning 9 to evening 4 o'clock. This is study center timing.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Any other details, sir?
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. So Monday to up to Saturday, our study center is open morning 9 to evening 4 o'clock. Please
Thank you.
come and
Thank
meet
you.
anytime within a week, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Next, sir. Hello. Hello. Now I request the coordinator from 2568, please. Balakrishna sir, now you mute your.
Okay, 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 sir.
Coordinator 2568, please.
Hello. Sir, coordinator 2568, HK Router College.
Yes, I'm
Please
Dr.
come on.
Bashir Ahmad Miran. Yes,
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
good morning. Good morning to all of you, sir. I'm Dr. Bashir Ahmad Miran from Haji Kartarao Trahodia College. Our study center code is 2568, and IGNO Study Center has been functioning in our college from 2005, and we have been offering only certificate courses on different disciplines. And every year, a good number of students are admitted in our study center, and we have been doing well with the regional study center, and we have given it to our students. And in 2020 July session, 30 students have been admitted. They have been admitted certificate course in Arabic, and it is functioning well. And every Saturday we conduct classes for the students. And in this situation, we have been engaging classes online through online mode also. Students have been responding well, and this is the status of our study center.
Sir, contact details kindly tell to the students. Phone number, study center, working timing, email ID. Those details are important for the students, please.
Right. Now itself, sir.
Now itself, sir.
Sir, our study center, all the students are our college students, sir.
Okay.
Students who have been admitted, at the time of admission, they have been admitted in IGNO course also. So
Okay.
they know everything because they are college students. They
At
have been
least
given,
Sir, you give that details. Ask them to visit the website of RC Madurai to get the email ID and the phone number from the website. Also, at your college level first counseling sessions, you give them all the email IDs for contact.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now I request Dr. Manimaran from 43076, JJ College of Arts and Science, Pudukkottai.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, RD sir, ARD sir,
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
and RC Madurai faculty, staff members, and my dear students. Good morning. This is Dr. R. Manimaran from JJ College of Arts and Science. Coordinator, LFC 43076. Students, I give my contact number 986594765. This is my contact number. Suppose you want to contact me through email, to send to the email in jjcollege.pdkt@gmail.com, jjcollege.pdkt@gmail.com, and one more email ID, igno43076@gmail.com. So this is for our contact information about the students. Please note it down. Our college, at the time of regular mode, our college functioning time, LSC 43076 functioning time from morning 8 o'clock to evening 5:30. In this pandemic situation, our functioning time is 9:30 to 5 o'clock. Myself and the assistant coordinator and the two assistants are available in our LSC IGNO coordinator office. Students, if you want to clarify any doubt and you want any information, please come to IGNO office and clarify with him and also our faculty members. So in this June 2020 session, in our LRC admitted 79 students for certificate courses, A&M and others. I think all the students should receive LSM from the RC Madurai, I think. If you have any doubt, please contact me. I already told my contact email ID and also cell number. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Now I request the coordinator, Dr. Anuragha of Study Center 43078, Bond Secures College for Women, Tanjavur. Madam, are you there?
Since she has not get the connection due to some technical issues.
Okay. Any other coordinator present may come online. Sir, RD sir,
Okay, sir.
almost coordinators. To complete.
Okay. Okay. Now Balaji may speak. Dr. Balaji,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
please interact.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Dear students, just I would like to confirm that everyone must have got your 10-digit enrollment number, and also you must have seen the control number with you at the time of the registration. So these are two different numbers. So you should not quote control number anymore for any correspondence with the university. Your 10-digit number which is given as enrollment number, you are expected to quote in all your correspondence and submission of assignments and for writing examinations. And you are also expected to download the ID cards as soon as your admission is confirmed. You can log into your online admission account where you have got admitted, and you can download on your own the student ID cards. If you have any difficulty in downloading the identity cards, you can write to RC email ID along with your enroll number and program code, and we will be able to help you. And students will be getting the study materials after the admission is confirmed directly from IGNOU New Delhi. The students can track the status of the dispatch of study materials from our website under www.ignou.ac.in. There is a link called the study material status, wherein you can go and visit and study material status for the July 2020 session by giving your enrollment number. Suppose if you don't find your enrollment number, nothing to worry, because the admissions are almost under finalization for the certificate programs, and this data will be updated in the website as soon as the dispatch is commenced. And similarly, under student zone in our website, you can avail several facilities, like you can also check up your registration details by providing your program code and enrollment number, and you can download your assignments, and you can download your question papers, and you can avail all those facilities. So the students are expected to first visit the IGNOU website, and under student zone, you can see what all the facilities are available for the students. And if you are not able to, if you are not receiving the study materials for any course, until such time, you are requested to utilize the digital study materials, which is available in our website under the link called eGyan course. So you can download the digital study materials till you get the hard copy of the study materials. After receipt of the study materials, and whoever is eligible for the examination as informed, you can register for the online time and examination. The link is already activated in our website. And as regards the re-registration, the students, those who have enrolled for the semester based programs like BCA, MCA, and Masters in Banking and Finance, and all those semester programs, students are expected to re-register. The link for re-registration will be activated in a couple of weeks, and students need not wait for the completion of the first semester. The students can re-register within the stipulated time, and they can, the re-registration means the registration for the continuity of the courses for the next semester. The completion of the first semester courses is not compulsory. You can register and the courses of first semester and can be pursued along with the second semester. Therefore, as soon as the link is open, the students will be informed about the re-registration, and students can register without waiting for the completion of the first semester courses. This is applicable only for the students, those who have registered for the semester based programs. And students, whoever corresponds with the university or regional center, they must write the enrollment number and program code in all the correspondence. And our email ID is rcmadurai@igno.ac.in, rcmadurai@igno.ac.in. Our timings is Monday to Friday and 9:30 to 6, but due to COVID situation, the timings there is a functioning, the staff is utilized on rotation basis. So you can, till such time the things are getting normalized, we suggest you to keep your communication through emails so that you will be getting the prompt reply, and it will be very easy for us to communicate with the students also. This is all from my side, sir.
Okay, now we can ask the students if they have any doubts.
Sir, before that,
Sir.
there is one announcement that the semester-based program students as well as the certificate program students can submit their assignments straight away for the TEE December 2020 with their respective study centers. The last date is 15th December 2020. You can check this notification at the IGNOU website also. Then the projects, other field work or internship related reports, if it is applicable for the particular program, you can either upload your project in the IGNOU website by visiting the concerned web page, or check the program guide where it is to be submitted. Suppose if it is to be submitted to RC Madurai, you can send to RC Madurai before the last date of 15th December. Otherwise, most of the reports are to be submitted to the Student Evaluation Division, IGNOU New Delhi. So, we need to submit as per the procedures laid down norms to the SED in time. Then, for submission of online examination form, the last date is extended up to 15th December 2020. All the eligible students can visit the IGNOU website and submit the online exam application form. You can select any of your the exam center as per your choice. This is from my side, sir.
Okay.
Now the students are requested, if any query one by one can come online and give brief of your query so that we are ready to answer.
ಸರ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಕೇಕ ಮಾಟಿದೆ ಸರ್.
உங்களுக்கு என்னமா query இருக்கு சொல்லுமா.
மைக் அன்மியூட் பண்ணி பேசுங்க. எனி டவுட் கேளுங்க.
Hello.
Unmute your mic, then you speak.
Sir.
Unmute your mic, then speak.
Good morning, sir.
Yes.
சார் என்னோட டேட் ஆஃப் பர்த் வந்து சேஞ்ச் தப்பா இருக்கு சார். அதை சேஞ்ச் பண்ணனும்னா என்ன சார் பண்றது?
For that you write email to RC Madurai.
Okay, sir.
With the relevant proofs so that they will check up and tell you the procedures.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I am there.
Please unmute mic, then you speak.
Sir,
Yes, yes.
my name is Joan Percy, sir.
Okay.
என்னோடது ஸ்டேட் வந்து நியூ டெல்லின்னு ரிஜிஸ்டர் ஆயிடுச்சு சார். அதை நான் தமிழ்நாடுன்னு ஆனால் எஸ்டடி நான் போய் ப்ரௌசிங் சென்டரில் மாற்றிட்டு வந்துட்டேன்.
என்னம்மா ஸ்டேட்?
ஸ்டேட் நியூ டெல்லின்னு ரிஜிஸ்டர் ஆயிடுச்சு சார். ஆனால் நேற்று காலேஜ் மேம்கிட்ட கேட்டு நான் தமிழ்நாடு அப்படின்னு மாற்றி காலேஜ் சென்டர் நேம் போட்டுட்டேன். அது மாறிடுமா சார்?
நீங்க ஆன்லைன் அப்ளிகேஷன்ல போட்டீங்களா? அட்மிஷன் அப்ளிகேஷன்ல?
ஆமாம் சார். நேற்று மேம் சொல்லி ஆர்சி மதுரை வெப்சைட் குள்ள இது மெயிலில் தான் சார் போய் மாற்றினேன்.
நீங்க மெயில் அனுப்புங்க with your enrollment number so that the RC Madurai will check up.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any other query?
Hello,
Yes.
sir. Good. My name is Shanawaz Khan. Sir, I joined that honeybee course in beekeeping.
Okay.
Then I doubt this practical system. How will you that?
What?
No, that is this. Also the practicals.
Practicals, you contact your study center. They will give you the schedule.
Study.
Study center coordinator you contact.
Okay.
Next.
The explanation. I can change explanations and.
Your voice is not audible. You contact your study center
Okay.
and discuss with the coordinator for any query. If anything else, you can write an email to RC Madurai also with your enrollment number. We are ready to.
Okay. Thanks.
Anbalagan sir.
Yes, sir.
I am leaving the meeting because the auditor is calling from quite a long time.
Okay, sir.
The rest of the please see, I will join.
Okay. Any other student having query?
Sir,
Yes.
இன்னும் எனக்கு மெசேஜ் அண்ட் புக்ஸ் எதுவுமே ரிசீவ் ஆகல சார். எந்த புக்ஸுமே இன்னும் வரல சார் எனக்கு.
Yes, madam. For study material, for currently you download the digital material by visiting the eGyanKosh website. I'm being. Also, you check the status in the IGNOU website about the dispatch of the study material. Accordingly, you can go ahead.
ஓகே சார்.
Morning, sir.
Yes, madam.
Sir, I'm a MPC student, first year. நான் என்னோட அசைன்மெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து போஸ்டர்ல அனுப்பி இது பண்ணியிருக்கிறேன். அதோட அக்னாலஜ்மெண்ட் ஸ்லிப் வந்து எப்படி சார் வாங்கணும்?
Study center அனுப்பியிருக்கீங்களா?
ஆமா சார்.
That you contact the study center by phone.
Okay,
We
sir.
have requested all the study centers to send the acknowledgement through email to the student.
Through email they will send, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Any other query? Hello. Okay. We thank you for all the coordinators and our staff members and the esteemed learners for attending this online induction meeting. We request the coordinators of every study center to begin the scheduling of counseling sessions from next week onwards and intimate after approval from RC to the students and organize the sessions in time for the benefit of our learners taking the term and examination in December 2020, which will be conducted in February 2021. All the study centers timings and their contact details are available in the IGNOU RC Madurai website. The student need to go and visit the RC Madurai website and click the study center tab so that you will get the PDF file of contact details of your study center. We will be making a Google Classroom online. Last session we made it. Accordingly, for this session also, we are going to send the link of joining this online Google Classroom to every admitted learners during next week. Once you receive the link, you download the Google Classroom mobile application in your smartphone or in the laptop. You click the link and join it so that we will be keeping and updating all the latest information to you one by one. Thank you for successful conduct of this virtual induction meeting. The learners always keep in mind that joining the IGNOU program is quite easy, but successful completion of the program through open and distance learning mode requires a lot of effort from the learners because it is purely a self-study. The contact point of a study center or regional center or headquarter can be contacted through emails as well as phone for any query or clarification. Distance education learners are always a learner. They need a lot of services from institution. The institution is always ready to provide you all the services. Now with the evolving digital medium, we provide enormous support services to the learners. So as a learner, you need to work hard and follow all our instructions so that within your minimum duration of study, you can successfully complete the program and earn your certificate or degree, so that with the IGNOU certificate and degree, you can get a good job in future, or you can become a good entrepreneur and contribute to the society for well-being. With these words, I thank you to all our study center functionaries, staff members, and all the learners. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, 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 sir.
Thank you.